Hey guys! Welcome once again to Free Tutorial TV, to discuss on Python for Beginner. Today in this video, I will show you how to install other IDE like Jupyter, PQT so on. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So without further delay, let's start by opening Google Chrome. Type Anaconda Python. Click the first link, then click Window button to download. Anaconda is a navigator which consists of many IDEs for Python. All this IDE console type. As download is going on, let's wait for it. Now download is completed, click the folder and double-click the application. Click Next to continue installation. You can set your own path for installation. Click Next and select ADD Anaconda to path environment. Click Install button and it will start installation. As many IDEs will be installing and file size is 1 GB, it will take some time. Let's wait for some time. Click Finish and launch the application. You can also launch from Startup menu of your computer. Now Navigator is open. We have already seen PyCharm, so let's try Qt console. Launch Qt console and conduct some operation like addition and multiplication. It's working perfectly. Let's close the application using quit command. Let's try Spyder console. Launch Spyder console and console IDE is same as PyCharm. Let's conduct some operation like addition and multiplication. A equals 3 plus 4. Print A. After running the code, you can see result in terminal console output. It's working perfectly. Let's close the application as normal. Let's try Jupyter console. Launch Jupyter console. Jupyter is web console application. Set the folder where you can make it as working folder. Then on right side click New button to create a new file, select Python 3. It will open a new window. In the line you can type your scripts and by clicking Run button, you can execute the instruction. Conduct some operation like addition and multiplication. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 4 times 2c equals 8. It's working perfectly. Let's close the application as how you close a web browser. Automatically save the file. So you can see lots of console which run Python scripts. Next video will be on string operation. I will show some operation on string. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like the video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.